Hi guys, it's Noodle here, and today we are going to do the part 3 of this video. In my previous video in the description, I said that I'd be posting 5 to 6 episodes, which I am. And I have something very fun for the final one. Today we are going to start off with the wallet. So this is the one that I actually wanted. I will go open this up quickly because I don't want to make you guys bored. Comment down below if you guys are bored. So here it is, real quick. Oops, I gotta open this here. So glad I need to have scissors to do this. Open instead. So, okay, I'm gonna do the scissors. Life is just great. I'll just open my drawer, get my fancy scissors out, get the second class scissors out. I got first class. I don't know what first class scissors would be. Guys, comment down below. What would first class scissors look like? I would personally think like sharper scissors, and it would be like $100, even though it would be like the same. But anyways, we are going to open this. Oh guys, this I like the Hot Topic does it. Just kidding, Hot Topic didn't really do it. Just buy it. Okay, same thing as the other wallet. Why is there always this packet inside? I'm just gonna yeast it. Okay, guys, never say yeet. Only say yeast now. That's the new thing. So on the back, I love this how it says My Hero Academia, and here it has all the main characters like Deku, Tsuyu, and then Uchako Aravaka or something like that. The crow guy, I forgot. And Tenya Lida and Bakugo. So in here, it's the same as the one from part 1. Go watch the part 1 if you want. And also, the next episode will be a sub episode. Like I'm gonna do a different unboxing kind. Like I'm gonna do like a different series, not My Hero Academia. Something else. You will see. So overall, this, because I like this design so much, I just don't like over there, and also that this is also popping out. I'm gonna rate it 9 out of 10 noodles. So let's go this over here, and this is what you guys probably all been waiting for. These are the Domes My Hero Academia collectible minis. So I will start by opening them up. Okay. Where's my second class scissors, guys? Gotta go get them out. So in here, what will it be? Oh, dun 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 dun. This is so hard to open. Oh, I got Bakugo. Wow. Okay. You guys are not able to opening it. Oh my god, that was weird. You guys are not able to open this because well, you probably are, but you'd break it then. So this is pretty cool. Like it has some flaws. I don't really like the face design that much, but overall, I'm gonna say pretty good. I like the case and everything. I'm gonna rate this 8 out of 10 noodles. Okay, I will put this to the side. I got 5 of it because I don't really care what I do. I just get stuff. Nom. Up and great job, Ryan. You are so great at this. You're actually trash, Ryan. I don't really feel like I'm always good at things. Okay, who is it gonna be? Oh! Oh my god! Why 2 Bakugos? Just why? Why 2 Bakugos? Why would I get 2 Bakugos? Bakugos! I'm angry! Got a double. Okay, guys, this is not good. Okay, and also comment rip Ryan. Like, rest in peace, Ryan. Comment rest in peace, Ryan. Okay, the next one is, oh my god! Another Bakugo. What is going on? What's going on with this? Like I'm gonna be 100% serious with you guys. Why would I get 5 Bakugos? I'm not planning this. Oh, I got one. I got Aizawa. Aizawa is amazing. Okay, 10. Okay, this guy is amazing. This is gonna be 10 out of 10 noodles. Okay, this is. Why do I get? Okay, guys, comment. No, actually, just comment if you think I have the worst luck ever. I got 3 Bakugos. Who gets 3 Bakugos? Okay, this is the final one for this. Oh yes, my favorite, Deku. I got Deku. Yes, this is so great. Okay, I got Deku. Deku, 10 out of 10. You say 10 out of 10. This looks amazing. Okay, I'm sure I put in delay or something. It's like amazing. So 10 out of 10 noodles. Okay. So what we got here is bad luck and good luck. This wallet I like. But why do I have to get 3 Bakugos? Bakugo's like my least favorite character. Because he's a bully. He commits bullyism. He's a bullyismer. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give 2 of them out. Just kidding. I'm gonna give them to my 3 friends. Yeah, I'm actually lonely out here in this world. Okay, guys, comment if you want to be my friend. No, I will not really accept that because I actually feel sad. Why do I get 3 Bakugos? Who gets 3 Bakugos? No one gets 3 Bakugos. I will be giving these out to my friends, showing them of how much Ryan has rested in peace. Okay, Dorian, I'm gonna give this to you. Okay, Dorian, this is reserved for Dorian, guys. This is not for sale, and this is not for sale. I'm gonna give this to someone or something. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna show my brother what I got because he's like, I hope you get the 3 good ones, like he was talking about. All Might, Deku, and Todoroki. But I got Deku. But then 3 Bakugos! I'm dying inside. Okay, I'm gonna stack it and it's gonna. Oh! Okay then. And also, this is the one that I'm not giving to anyone, or I might, because this is the one for Dorian. You better thank me, Dorian, that I didn't drop yours. Anyways, guys, this is an actual sad video, and I'm probably not gonna show my face because it's just gonna be one video because I am too lazy to put in other videos. Because I am a complete lazy boss. No, I literally ran downstairs to grab my memory card out of a computer. Like, that was all the way in my basement. They came back up, put it in. See? I'm not lazy after all. Okay, guys. I will see you next time in the next series. Wait, no. The next episode in the series. Noodle, out.